Now that's some deep snow. Let me knock it off. Look at this. Holy smokes. That's crazy. I'm gonna get this off so the cars behind us will see the lights are off. Oh, I'm not left-handed. I'm right-handed. Holy smokes, this is wicked. The music is blasting and I'm working. Holy jumpers, look at that. Holy shit. This is LL77. Gotta work for her. Get the car out. Holy jumpers, switch hands here. Oh no, I can't. Look at this. Here, hold this, record it on me. Aim it at me. Alright. A lot of snow.
Even deadly.
Holy man. I said I'm gonna show Madame and all of them guys how deadly the snow is over here in Canada. 40 centimeters of snow. Look on the roof. Holy. Coming up. Soon enough we'll be able to drive. Oh yeah. Look at this. Woo-hoo. Hard work. I'll tell you. This is hard work. Woo.